Hello world, this is YernarProjects.com and we are going to talk about the project lifecycle. Project lifecycle refers to the consecutive stages in a project's development process. Life cycles demonstrate the logic for how a project proceeds. The starting point begins with the moment when a contract agreement is signed. Project effort starts slowly, builds to the peak, and then declines to delivery of a project to the customer. Have a look at a simplified model of the project life cycle. 4 distinct phases of project development can be identified. They are labeled conceptualization, planning, execution, and termination. The bar chart shows the need in man-hours as project goes on. Peak of man-hours needed comes to execution phase. At conceptualization phase, aim and scope of work are determined, all necessary resources are identified, and important stakeholders are signed on to the process. Planning is a stage when all schedules and plans are developed, work packages are broken down, and individual assignments are created for each project member. Execution is when actual work of project is done or product is created. Time, cost, and specification measures are used for control. The project managers have to ensure that the project is on schedule, within the budget, and meeting specifications. They have to also check if any changes are required. Termination is when the completed project is transferred to its customer. Project resources are reassigned, and the project is formally closed out. It may involve customer training and transferring documents. The project lifecycle is also a useful means of visualizing how project characteristics change during the life of a project. Each factor has its own dynamic. Client interest shows the level of enthusiasm of project's potential customer. You can see it on the screen like letter V. It is on the top at the beginning, then it goes down to the execution phase. Then again, client interest grows up because time is close when client will receive a project. The creativity curve depicts the degree of innovation and creativity required by a project. Creativity is at considerable level at the beginning of a project because project team and project's client must develop a shared vision. It can be clearly seen that highest creativity level is necessary during execution stage. Uncertainty is about degree of risk associated with a project. Risk is highest at the beginning because uncertainty is greatest. Project team becomes more confident about managing the process as the project stages come along.